Hi, what you can see there is Bitcoin against the US dollar. I've drawn it for the last 10 years, the solid blue line in the middle, which you may not be able to see, but I'll describe everything you can see on your screen, is the average. If you drew a linear regression, that would be the mean price around which, as you can see, it's deviated. To the upside, about 2 standard deviations away from that, if you remember your maths from school. To the downside, not usually 2 standard deviations to the downside. Where are we at the moment? Well, I would say whilst we're at just below $30,000 to the US dollar, $30,000 per Bitcoin, we'll probably get to 20,000. If somebody put a gun to my head, and many people want to, and said, where do you think it's going to go to? I'd probably say that. Now, if you're waiting for that exact number, but you want to be a long-term buyer in Bitcoin, then you might miss the bottom because it might go to $21,000 to per Bitcoin. But anyway, where I reckon we'll probably get to is around that marker or so. All right. Hopefully that was helpful. Have a look at the links in the bio. They will blow your mind. I've also got my stock picking competition in there where I'm giving away about $200,000, £150,000 for prize winners. So have a look at the links in the bio for that. Thank you.